Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Anderson. I am going to show you how to find some things in our classes today. So when you go to our Canvas homepage, you'll see the sidebar of all the choices. Of course, you'll go to courses or dashboard, either one. If you go to dashboard, you will see all the choices of your classes right here. I'm going to click on sophomore English. You can also get to that by clicking on courses and clicking sophomore English. Either way comes up with the same information, same class. You'll see every class is the same, that we all have a home page that has our information on it about what's going on this week, how to get a hold of us, what our Zoom links are for the week, and how to go to IA Essentials, which is just an information collection about some how-tos, where to go for help, things like that. The most important thing I want to show you, of course, is where to find your assignments. In every class, they're the same, and you will go to the modules on the left side. Sophomore English is set up like this. I think every other class is as well, that there are modules arranged by month, September, October, and so on. And within the month, they're arranged by week, so you see what's going on. Go right down this list. Anything that has a rocket or a point total is an assignment. The things that are not assignments are informational or instructional, so you want to read those too. If you're keeping up with what's due each day and each week, you'll be on pace, which means that you'll get a satisfactory progress report each month, which we are required to do by law. And most importantly for you, it means that you won't have a lot of stress about getting caught up or being behind. So we always want to see you turning in what's due each week. That's it for now. Talk to you later.